assaulted her.
I have it on video.
What the heck is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
Are you proud to be on the side of genocide?
What the hell is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
What the hell is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
He assaulted her.
I have...
Zionism is a sin because of this. Violence is all you know. How dare you? How dare you?
Sick.
No, I want to film our stuff. All of this is broken. Don't move in until crime scene comes.
Crime scene?
Yeah, they're going to come take video. Thank you.
We know
Good
who
for you.
are.
Good for you.
Disgusting.
Zionism is a disease.
I don't know. It might just go before it.